Welcome back to my channel.
Say good morning muna.
Good morning.
Say good morning.
Good morning.
Today we're making
What? Kawali.
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 Pork kawali. Using our air fryer.
Air fryer. That's not an air fryer.
Now later, after we cook this, and this is our Lechon Kawali. So we have this. What do we have in there?
Pork.
Pork what?
Kawali.
Pork belly.
Belly. We
Pork belly.
got.
Mommy bought it 2 days ago.
We got the
Pork
pepper.
kawali. We put
We have pepper, and we have the salt. This kind of salt.
put pepper, bay leaves. And we also put on garlic salt. We use garlic salt. Yeah, garlic salt. Put in there, slow cook it and boil it for a while, maybe 30 minutes.
And the liquid is hot water.
Yeah, we're going to brine it. Okay? And just slow cook. Right?
So after 20 minutes, we're gonna take out the meat.
Alright.
Oh, and I forgot to tell you, we're putting out 2 stuffed animals, Bryson and Bin Bin. Bryson, Bin Bin, say hi. Hi.
Yeah.
Hi. It's Bryson and Bin Bin. Got it. So guys, if your pork belly is too big, then you can cut it in half. Like what I'm doing. Ding,
Ding.
ding, ding. Ah!
Then we're going to let it dry.
We're gonna dab it
We're gonna plug it in.
right to dry it.
Dry it.
Dry.
Dry it properly.
Not that one. Dry. Dry it up. Dry. Gyrate. Dry.
What's next? So what are you gonna do next?
Next, once you put it in here,
Put it in the fridge
you have to
or
put
in
it
the
in
freezer.
the fridge or freezer.
So how many hours are you gonna keep it there? Well, maybe 1
We're
hour.
gonna-
Let's get it.
Yeah,
in.
1 hour, I think.
Yeah, let's put it in the freezer.
Um,
All right.
so
See you later.
it's gonna get cut out.
See you later, belly.
Time to get the meat. Oh, it's frozen.
It's not. It's just cold.
No, like feel it, frozen. Frozen. Dad, feel it, frozen.
Put it in the
That
thing.
is frozen.
Put it here.
Okay.
Get some now. Get a fork. Get a fork and poke the pork.
The pork.
Yeah. Done. You poke the pork.
Poke. It's hard.
It's hard, huh?
There. The pork done. How does this make it crunchy?
I don't know the reason behind it. This is what most people do.
To make food crunchy.
Yeah, and after this, you can put a.
Jack.
Alright.
Now we're gonna add salt to. We're gonna add a little salt to our steak or pork.
Pork. Yeah. This is not steak. It's
Pork.
Yeah.
I can see the small little white.
Just rub it. Rub it a little bit.
Maybe it's pork. Rub.
Rub with your hand.
Rub. It tickles. It's tickling me.
This is our for lunch? Oh. Alright.
So next, get your air fryer. Oh, you're gonna put the steak, the pork into the air fryer. It looks like cake a little bit.
The other one.
Make sure the salt is still on it.
There you go. Okay.
Now we can put it in here, and I don't know what the timer is going to be.
Daddy will tell you. Alright, time to set the timer. Press the play button. Then 370 is fine. Then you put the time here. Make it 30 minutes. That's it.
And how do we start?
Then press the play button again. There you go. So wait.
Then now it's frying.
Wait for 30 minutes.
Yep.
Alright.
Ew! You mean Lacey? Oh, and my dad needs me. See ya. Oops, actually, he needs you and me. Cause actually, the air fryer is on 1 more minute.
This 5 minutes.
Okay, put on the timer. See you guys, we're gonna put on the timer. I don't know if
Make sure.
Oh, it sounds crunchy. You're going up, you're going down.
Yes.
Sorry. Let's see.
It's even on. Okay, guys. I think it's not well cooked on the other side. So we have to add. How many minutes? 10 more minutes. Okay, baby. Gonna add 10 minutes. Because the meat is thick. So all in all, it's 40 minutes. Right, Adi? Alright. 10 minutes. Nice.
Now my dad is gonna chop the pork. And that's what we're gonna eat outside. You might be wondering, are we gonna eat on the floor? No, we're gonna eat on a table because yes, we do have a table outside. So I proved you wrong. That's looking so good. Oh my gosh, look at it.
Yes, I want
Look at it! Oh my gosh, look at it! That looks so good! My mouth is watering already. Dad, my mouth is watering already. I want to eat it I want to eat already. I already want to eat it. I want to eat it. Oh my gosh, there's the meat.
That.
It's so delicious.
Let's see how then. Get some photo. Photo shoot. Photo shoot. Hold it.
Wait! Oh no! So I'm gonna try it. Let it blow. Ah! So hot. Ah!
It's hot.
It's hot. BRB. Just had to pull it down.
Wait.
Mmm!
It's a cool down.
So good! So, my dad's done praying. And done praying. Yep, we're done praying. Now we're just gonna get our food. This looks like tilapia for some reason. It's so creamy. Oh my gosh. Ah, I feel cream. I can feel cream. I can feel cream.
Oh, sauce.
No.
Soy sauce.
No! You're gonna mess up my lunch. I don't like any of it. I don't like it with stuff. It's so juicy.
And creamy?
Yep. Ah! It looks like cream. It has cream. So let's just taste test it. Let's not focus on the cream.
Defense 81 kilograms. But a bigger story, Harrison Morris trying to become the first American man to win a weightlifting medal at the Olympics in 37 years.
You want sauce?
Harrison Morris, 7 attempts and a 5 kilograms.
Good? Oh. Alright, so mamaya.
Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe, like, and share. And for more videos, I'm getting over next vlog.
Yeah,
Bye.
put in your mouth.
Bye.
Don't speak.